Microsoft just open-sourced a voice AI family that handles 60 minutes of audio in a single pass. No chunking, no context fragmentation, no sliding windows. One pass. VibeVoice has 24,500 stars, and it ships 3 models. A 7 billion parameter ASR model that transcribes an hour of audio with speaker diarization and timestamps built in. A 1.5 billion parameter TTS model that synthesizes 90 minutes of multi-speaker audio, and a 500 million parameter real-time model with 300 millisecond first audible latency. 50+ languages, MIT licensed. This is Microsoft's answer to the voice AI space. Let me break it down. VibeVoice is a family of open-source frontier voice AI models from Microsoft. The core innovation is continuous speech tokenizers operating at 7.5 Hz frame rate. That's dramatically lower than typical audio representations, which enables processing much longer sequences without running out of context. The architecture combines a large language model for contextual understanding with a diffusion head for acoustic detail generation. Microsoft calls this the Next Token Diffusion Framework. The result is models that can handle audio durations that would be impossible with conventional approaches. 60 minutes for transcription, 90 minutes for speech synthesis, all in a single forward pass. The ASR model is now integrated into Hugging Face Transformers v5.3.0, which means you can use it with the standard pipeline interface. VibeVoice by Microsoft, a family of open-source frontier voice AI models with 24,000 stars. 3 models in one repo. A 7 billion parameter ASR model that transcribes 60 minutes of audio in a single pass. No chunking, no context fragmentation. Speaker diarization, timestamps, and hot word support built in. A 1.5 billion parameter TTS that synthesizes 90 minutes of multi-speaker audio, and a 500 million parameter real-time model with 300 millisecond first audible latency. The secret is a 7.5 Hz tokenizer. Each second of audio becomes just 7.5 tokens instead of hundreds. 50+ languages, MIT licensed. Already integrated into Hugging Face Transformers. Full breakdown in the long-form video. Let's look at each model. VibeVoice ASR is the flagship. 7 billion parameters. Processes up to 60 minutes of audio in a single pass. It does speaker identification, word-level timestamping, and structured transcriptions. It supports customized hot word detection for domain-specific vocabulary. Think medical terms, product names, or jargon that generic models get wrong. Over 50 languages supported. VibeVoice TTS is the synthesis model. 1.5 billion parameters, generates up to 90 minutes of speech. It supports up to 4 distinct speakers in a single generation, with English, Chinese, and cross-lingual capabilities. And VibeVoice Realtime is the lightweight streaming model. 500 million parameters, 300 millisecond first audible latency, about 10 minutes of robust continuous generation. This is the one you'd deploy in production for real-time applications. The technical architecture is what makes the long-form capability possible. Traditional speech models tokenize audio at high frame rates, hundreds of tokens per second, which means long audio quickly exceeds context limits. VibeVoice uses continuous speech tokenizers at 7.5 Hz, meaning each second of audio produces only 7.5 tokens instead of hundreds. This is what allows 60 minutes of audio to fit in a single forward pass. The tokenizers come in 2 types: acoustic tokenizers that capture the raw sound characteristics, and semantic tokenizers that capture the meaning and content. The LLM processes these low-rate tokens to understand context, and the diffusion head generates the fine acoustic details. For TTS, the process reverses. The LLM generates semantic tokens from text, and the diffusion head converts them to audio. The VLLM integration provides optimized inference for faster processing at scale. Getting started is straightforward through the Hugging Face ecosystem. The ASR model is integrated into Transformers v5.3.0, so you can use the standard automatic speech recognition pipeline. Point it at an audio file, set the model to Microsoft/VibeVoice ASR, and you get transcriptions with speaker labels and timestamps. For the TTS model, weights are on Hugging Face for download. The repo includes demo notebooks and Google Colab links for trying the models without local setup. If you want to customize the ASR model for your domain, there's fine-tuning code included. This is how you'd add hot word support for specialized vocabulary. For production deployment, the VLLM plugin provides the inference optimization you need for serving at scale. Step back and look at what Microsoft is doing here. They're releasing frontier voice AI models under MIT license. Fully open source, free to use commercially. The ASR model competes directly with Whisper on long-form transcription, but without the chunking limitations. The TTS model handles 90-minute multi-speaker synthesis, which is territory that most commercial APs don't even attempt. And the real-time model at 300 milliseconds latency is production viable for conversational AI. Microsoft explicitly says, don't use this in production without further testing. This is research code. But the fact that it's in Hugging Face transformers means the community will productionize it fast. Between this and insanely fast Whisper, the voice AI space just got significantly more competitive this week. VibeVoice is free, open source, MIT licensed, models on Hugging Face, code on GitHub, links in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more AI tools every week. See you in the next one.